Welcome back. For today's lecture, we have for loops. We use for loops in Python to iterating over sequence. An iterable object in Python is object that capable of return its member one at a time. It could be lists, tuples, dictionaries, strings, or whatever is iterable. That for loops can go through and iterating over the values. Let's start exploring for loop. Here, first we make a list. We call it my list, and it's equal to a random number. Let's make 1, 2, 3, 9.0 like float, and integer here L 11, and make like 88 here, and we make for loop. We start with for, that indicating we are making for loop, and here we make variable that will go through the list here. The variable name is not important. You can call it E, you can call it my variable, you can call it whatever you want. This variable will go through this list one by one and print it here. I want to keep it simple, so I will make the variable name is E, for E in, here indicating inside something. So it could be my list, it could be like a string, it could be a dictionary, whatever we want. Here we wanted to go through my list. We got here my list, and we hit print, and we make print E. Let's see what we got. We got here 1, 2, 3, 9.0, L 11, 88. So the E variable went through all the values inside this list, and we print it here. As I told you, we can call it like my variable, and here, but the best to keep it simple. You don't make it like that hard for you. You are going to get the same result. Yes, but what if you want to go through a string? Here we write hello, a string, and here is variable. I'm going to keep it simple, E, and here we'll go through inside the C is equal hello. So this E will go one by one with this string here, hello, and we print E, and we hit run. We got here hello, HELLO. So E value went through whole here and printed one by one, printed HELLO. So that's what for loops done. So I'm gonna here show you how to make a list like in different way. Here we write my, I'm trying to go like to write list. It's not good in Python, so it's best to not do that. List indicating we have list as a class, as I told you. Don't do it. Write list, for example 1. Here I'm making new list number 1. Here we write E for E in range. This here range indicating we are going to range from range of numbers. Let's see here in range 1 to 10, and we go back here, print list 1. We get here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is not including because here will E go from all the values from 1 to 9, but not 10. 10 is going to be the end of the range, not including. If you want to have like 10 include, you should hit here 10 plus 1, or go to 11. I'm going to discuss it later, like in the next lecture, in our bonus video. So here we got 10 in our list. So for loop is really important in Python, and you should take time to learn for loops. This one's like make the difference between beginner and intermediate programmer. And we will discover more in the next sections about for loops and about loops general. So that was all for today. See you in the next lecture.